Hello, guys, and good evening. It's me again, your Qatar social media guy here in Doha. How's your evening? This is our 8 o'clock vlog, night vlog here at Qatar social media. Just wait for our followers to get online. We have 5 followers going up. So we have 27 followers right now. Good evening to all of you. And before we discuss about this new updates about coronavirus here in Qatar, and it's now a high number, which is 250. So we have 90 followers right now. So, okay, now we're going to start. We have 118 followers who are tuning in. Hello to Marpe Kim. Why totally not lockdown, sir? Hello to Das. Why no lockdown in Qatar? So same question here. For Sing, hello and good evening. And to Hitosha and who else are watching, let me know on your comments right here. We have 130 followers. Tune in right now. Okay, we're gonna read the report right now. From which area? I hope it's not industrial area, which is we had a lot of tests conducted there. Anyway, I will give you the updates right now before we before we proceed to 250 cases. So we are actually now on 31,951. That is the total number of people tested for COVID-19 here in Qatar. And total number of positive case COVID-19 is 1,325. So that's the total number right now. So it's we jumped to 1,000 now. Okay, so the number of active COVID-19 cases under treatment, okay, which is 1,213. So that's the total number. That's a lot. So as the hot news today, we go to the new numbers, okay, new confirmed cases of coronavirus or COVID-19 as of 24 hours rate, it's 250. So that's a lot, right? Hello to Khan who are watching right now. Hi, and to Dexter. Hi, hello to Dexter. Why there's no lockdown, sir, in Qatar? So same goes. Why totally no lockdown from Ahmed and also to Mian? Total case in Qatar. Now it's. Are you talking about the tests? The number of people has been tested is around 31,951. So that's the total case or tested case in Qatar. Hello to Das. Bless and good. God save the world. And hello to Annalyn and oh my God, sad, afraid. Okay, who else? Rohit Ja and to Catherine who's watching. Lockdown, please, sir. So I will not do. Uh, that's uh, that's that's for the Minister of Public Health or the MOI will decide for it or the government office. So again, we'll talk about the number of recovered patients. So the number is 109 recovered patients. That is it's a great number as well. Okay, I think yesterday it was 90 or 90 something. Correct me if I'm wrong. But now it's 109. And the good news is, okay, the good news is we still have 3 deaths, okay, so far. Hello to Christopher who's watching. Good evening to all of you guys, and we have 140 followers. I hope you can share this video. Yeah, it's quite sad that still have 3 fatalities so far. I know one of the nationalities is the Bangladesh, the first person who are the fatality of this coronavirus. Hello to Lowell and to Bishnu. Hi, Bishnu and Dinesh. I'm telling you, government announced to reduce the timing, but companies still not allowing companies to go earlier. Same in my case. So we're gonna look at that from Danish. And hello to Lomel watching from Wakir. Hello everyone. And must be a lockdown. That's from Mian. I totally agree with you. Just 2 hours open. Okay, from Chai, Gaspar, 250 new cases. That's a lot. Yeah, so that's a lot. I think that's the highest by far since we have this report since last month. We're starting doing the report since last month. So why a recovery rate is so low? From Irshad Hassan. So recovery, I think there are a lot of home quarantine that is on home quarantine that has not been reported yet on this 24 hours. Let us check tomorrow. So whether we can have the total number. Hello to Aku. Aku, good evening and watching from Bin Umran and also from Islam. Lockdown, please. That is most comment on here on our Facebook page. Hello to Rohitja. Sir, I'm working in Shahiniya petrol station and we are connected to much people. Every everything we don't know how we save or no one come here to check us. So well, you can actually request it from the health and ministry. So maybe they can help you with that. Worst thing is that even we can't complain. Otherwise, we get fired. Yeah, there's a lot of cases. But hey, wait, guys. There is a number for you to call if you want to have a complaint, right? So there is a government. I can post it after this video. Hello to Kumar who's watching. In which area? Well, well, this is a lot of tests conducted. They have in a hospital. They have in some places in the industrial area where we do tests there, and also from Salami. I always like Qatar for their transparency. Kubus. Hello to Frank. Lockdown, please. That is from Frank right there. Hello to Balan Lama. I am said should be a lockdown 3 weeks in Qatar. Well, I do hope agree with you. All of your comments, if you are proposing the lockdown, I like some countries did, especially China, and especially those numbers, a lot of numbers of victims in this crisis, which is the USA, the Italy, South Korea, and then China. So they implemented total lockdown. I hope we can do it as well, right? Hello to Eve. Too much, 240 for 24 hours. Yes, that is too much for 24 hours, right? Um, and so sad to know. And hello to Tahir. Sabah al khair. Hi, I just joined. Any idea which air cases are more? Well, that is confidential for now. You know why? I can guess why. If someone, okay, if I release some news that like Bin Umran, there is a lot of cases in Bin Umran. People will get afraid of going there. So you know what I mean. So I think government is really um, uh, they implement the security, okay, for people to not get panic. Please total lockdown and need country from me and to Muhammad Shahib. Okay, United Development Company in Pearl don't allow in the site office to reduce timings. Yesterday, one from labor got virus and situation gonna more complex. Please give me the message to the authorities. So yeah, that is the complaint. Danish, that is a valid complaint. You can call the number that I'm gonna post it after the video. Salami. Could Qatar can recommend any medication to boost the immune system? So yeah, unfortunately, you need to be tested, and if they found out that you are infected with the virus, then they will probably look into that and giving you more than you asked for, like not immune system. That there are something that need to need to give to you in order for you to be better. Hello to Lowell. See what happened in Kuwait. They decided to lock down 2 weeks ago. The virus is not spread. So yeah, not only Iran or Kuwait. There are a lot of countries that implemented a total lockdown. So see, if total lockdown has been were been implemented, I think that will be reducing the number of the newly cases, and also we will increase the number of recovery cases as well. Who else are doing the comment here? Okay, you can just post your comment right here. We have 100 followers who are tuning in, and hope you can share this video, guys. This I'm gonna repeat for those who are just tuned in right now. 31,951. That's the total number of tested for COVID-19, and it come out 1,213 are active COVID dash 19 cases under treatment. So imagine 1,213 that is in probably in hospital or home quarantine right now. So that's a lot. Imagine 1,000 people will be inside the hospital. So that's really a chaos in our health uh, provider. But luckily, we have the best among all of the countries when it comes to health facility, and I think you do agree. Hello to Chai. So hard it's for Qatar to do total lockdown. I think they will do it. They are thinking it. I think so. In the back of my mind, I think lockdown was the best solution for that. Pharmacy open 24 hours in Qatar. Yes, for some. Okay, not all pharmacies. Islam Yazin, they are a lockdown industrial area. So how come the virus spread? Well, the virus spread is also I saw a lot of all the videos in the social media. There are community infected means there are no there there are no transmissal. It's just emit there. They need to trace it. Maybe someone came from outside from vacation. They came in and then infected all of those in this area. So not only industrial. Yeah, there's a lot I think in industrial area, but there are some places in Doha as well that we never know. So please block down all Qatar. That is from Arif. Total number of new numbers of confirmed cases today is 250, and that's a lot, right? I think that's the highest number so far when I reported since a month ago. I think we have like 179 or 100 plus, but 250, that's a lot for this week. The restaurant also 24 hours open. I don't think so. Mian, they implemented some rules earlier. Hello to Geva. I think the lockdown is necessary. Jiva supermarket will be open. Yep, supermarket is still open. Hello to Aim Talim. What is the sense of disinfecting the roads and the buildings? Airport wasted. They need to stop first spreading the virus from people who infected and cure them. That is actually they're doing right now, because the carrier of the virus is people itself and not the buildings and the roads. Well, just a quick information about that one from AIM. So there are videos that released from the WHO, the World Health Organization, that the virus can still remain on surface. Yes, they can still remain at surface, woods, carpet, clothes like that in an hours. So I think if person get infected and they are roaming around, they walking the street, holding everything, those handles, those bars, those taxis, those seats. So I think it's better to see those companies who are implementing sanitation or how you call it, disinfecting all of the places in Doha, which is actually not only here. It's began in China, and all of the countries are doing it right now. So Ria, hello to Ria. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of the people in Qatar. Keep safe, everyone. Hello to Ria. Restaurant are still open, yes. And hello to Waba. Hopefully, I can read some Arabic words, but for now, no. And to Shubra, stay home, stay safe. So that is why I'm here. That's why I invest in this podcast. Because me, as you know me, I'm always on the go. I always have my camera in my car and then driving along Doha. But now I refrain on doing it and I'm invest on my podcast like this. So in my comfort home, in my comfort room, I mean in the comfort of my room, I can do a report or I can update you guys of going on in Doha and in general in Qatar. So doing this for you, it's my privilege to give the information, current information in Doha. And hello to Rahul. Why not lockdown Qatar? There's a lot of questions happening right now, and it's not only you, Mr. Rahul or Ruhul. Today I'm not came any video from your side today since morning. Well, this morning I had this video, but I'm not going outside because number one, hashtag stay home, right? So aim. So what's the reason why they are not implementing total lockdown? So total lockdown, they need they need. I think they need. My opinion is they need to see what's the effect in the economy. So I think that's the best that I can think of for now. But for sure, they will think of spreading this lockdown in any infected places. Hello, the site office is small cabin. Peoples are very close. Government should take. Yeah, Denisha, that is also a good point. Those are working in construction site. Um, I I read the I read the laws or the what you call this the updates from the Ministry of Public Health. This is the news, guys. So as you know, all of the construction workers are going to site, right, from their accommodation or from their camp to accommodation, and they are bringing them with buses or inside the buses, right? So what happened is the government see this as opportunity to take into consideration that the implementation of social distancing is will be implemented inside these buses. So roughly around 60% should be occupied in these buses, right? So example, 60% must be in the buses. So 60% should be only in the buses. So that is the strict guidelines of the Ministry of Public Health. Okay, from Khan, recovery means we'll never infected by corona. Lots of people are outside. They are announcing stay at home. Well, stay home. Stay home. Okay. There, there need they need to have someone also outside, right? Especially those who are working in the delivery services. So, as I told you this morning, I had a podcast about the mobile application, and that podcast is actually targeting those delivery mobile application. So if you are ordering through using your mobile app, okay, using the mobile application, your product needs to be with you, right? So it must be delivered by someone, correct? So someone should be visible as well, doing their regular business, and it helped a lot to ease the the pain of not going outside, right? So you can order it through online, even your grocery you can order it on, even your other services if you want to do maintenance in your house, you can done it through online. So I will be going back to Mr. Khan question. Recovery means when we'll never infected by corona. Well, as I do research, there are a percentage of they can be infected again. Okay, that's the WHO report for the past few days that I been focusing on checking the updates of report in China, report in WHO. WHO is World Health Organization. I'm following their Facebook page and also their Instagram. Okay, from Altaf, please lock down. Okay, that's also one of the one of our more of our followers are doing it. Hello, stay home, obey the policies by implementing. Correct. This for us guys. This is not only for government security. This is all of the people of Qatar. So, Angelica, thank you for your comment. And Lisa, hello and good evening, and thank you for watching. And I hope you can share this video right now. Denise, okay, he is really active, right? Denise Assad, uh, Foresight Office UDC. Oh, he mentioning the company name. UDC as the development authority is owner 80% employees from work from home, but issue is only about timings implementation. 92,727 I think it's a complaint but not again issued. Well, those complaint has been received by this hotline, and they that's a lot of complaints, right? Hello to K. Angles. Total lockdown will help a lot, but I think we will able to see the result after 6 weeks or more. I think I totally agree with K about this total lockdown, but you know we've been testing a lot of patients for the past few weeks, not only especially in industrial area. So I do believe that we need to fasten all of the tests conducted. So the Ministry of Public Health will look into how many conducted cases are tested per day. As you can see, this number from the number of people tested for COVID is 31,951 guys. That's a lot, and I still there's more has been not accounted yet, but by far this is 31,000. It's a lot. So and the total number we actually remove ourselves from 1,000. We have we for I think last or yesterday or last night it was 900 something. Now we reached to 1,213. That is the number of active COVID-19 cases under treatment, guys. So imagine there is 1,200 plus over there in any facility or health facility in Qatar, and that's a lot. And also, I would like to I would like to show. Okay, I would like to know there is a link that I go last week or last 2 weeks. I clicked the link and I saw there is a data, okay, a data that also look into how many of those 1,002 or 1,213 are in critical condition. So yeah, I I look into that, but that is from different site, guys. That is not from the Minister of Public Health. There are there are columns on those links that states that how many are critical out from 1,213. 213? That is the big question, right? So we are not only looking for how many cases or how many active COVID-19 cases under treatment, but how many of that under treatment is in critical or in ICU right now. So I think that is also need to be shared, and maybe we can also look into that. But the good thing, the good thing is still we have the low number of vitality, which is 3. I'm happy with that number, but yeah, nothing to do, right? So guys, stay home and also share this video. Doing the thumbs up is really good, and also you can follow me on Instagram at Qatar social media. And for those who have YouTube, you can follow us on YouTube. This will be on YouTube as well, so you can actually see your comments or hearing your name shout out in this video. Hello to Denise. Any news regarding the people whose visa is well? There is a news. Okay, this is the valid question from Denise. Assad is really active here in Qatar social media live at 8 o'clock. So, any news regarding the people whose visa is going to be expired next month and the flights are cancelled? In Mitras 2, there is option showing extended visa of government will do by itself. Yes, there's been a confirmed news from Mitras, Minister of MOI, that they will, I think, extend it for another 1 or 2 months. I'm not correct. I'm not specifically correct, but I will need to double check for that. But I saw that news before that they will extend this expiration. Yep. So I think I answered your question right. So hello to Khan. Why not lockdown for economic, or they need more time? Okay. Well, it's really hard to decide, right? Well, if you're the head of of one country, it's not easy to do it. Why? There are a lot of things to consider. Number one, how about the companies? They can pay their employees without pay or with pay. They are also looking to that. And Qatar is injecting billions of money, and they also tell them that the company or the employees are well paid. How many people case today? Well, Aman, the number is 250. That is your answer. I mean, the answer is 250. How many people case today, sir? I'm talking about the new cases, right? If you're asking the new cases, we have 250 cases of COVID corona here in Qatar, and the number of deaths is 3. And the good news is 109 are recovered patients. All people should be follow the rules of the government. That is from Litan Kabir. Sabah al Khair and Sabah al Nur to all of Arabic who are watching right now. And by the way, if you have any questions, just go to your comment, ping it up, and I hope I can answer it if I have something here to show you. But this is just the update, the quick update of the corona or COVID-19 here in Qatar as of April 4, 2020. So the corona disease 2019 COVID-19 updates in Qatar as of April 4, 2020. And I'm talking here at 8:38 p.m. on our live show at 8 o'clock. And then we will probably end this video right now. And please, the location of the people, please. So yeah, I already discussed about the location. I already about tell the location. We will not disclose it because the government will not disclose as well. As per rumor, Qatar Airways is going to arrange a special flights for those whose children are outside studying and their parents in Qatar. Kindly update us. Yes, I know that information, right? Well, the Qatar Airways just released news recently about a plane or probably a airlines that picking up some of the passengers. So yeah, you are correct. Hello to George. Why there are no lockdown? I can slow down the spread of the virus. That is also correct. We need to have a total lockdown, but for now we don't have it yet. How many people case a day? That is from Ifra or Ifa. Today is 250. So that is the answer. 250. That's a lot, Ifa. So 250 cases. Abdul Halim, please inform me room rent, sir. Well, the room rent for what? Just elaborate your questions. Hello to Khan. Thanks for the updates. As and keep stay home. Yeah, we'll staying home. I will doing a blog every 8 o'clock in the morning where the Minister of the Public Health will release the news. So we are the first one to release it for you, and doing the podcast here on Qatar social media and showing you the numbers right here on your screen. And the total number now, it's the newly cases is 250 newly cases of COVID-19, and the number of tested already is 31,951, and the total number of positive COVID cases is 1,325, and the total number of patients under COVID 19 cases in Qatar under treatment is 1,213. The newly cases of Qatar as of April 4, 2020 is 250. And the total number of recovered patients under COVID 19 cases in Qatar, it's 109. Total death, 3 deaths so far as of April 4, 2020. So I think that's it for now. I hope, guys, you can stay at home, stay safe, and for you to use your mobile and ordering system, just look into Talabat, use Gorafik, use Courage, use Wishbox, and there's a lot of mobile application out there. Well, message from me. So I'm gonna give you updates again tomorrow morning at around probably no. So tomorrow is Sunday. So I'll be give you updates of the coronavirus again, roughly 8 o'clock in the evening. So tomorrow probably we will have another blog at 7 o'clock, but that is a street blog. So going to office again. How many months for this quarantine? So quarantine is only 14 days. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please, for those who are watching right now, can you subscribe on my YouTube channel? We have 63 followers right now. I will send you the link. All of the person here, I will send the link of my YouTube channel, and please subscribe. So that will be appreciated. Again, this is your Qatar social media guy here in Doha, and I hope you have a good Saturday night. Sleep well, eat well, and don't forget, if you want to advertise here on Qatar social media, all you need to do is call me at 666-52273. That is 666-52273. It's me, your Qatar social media guy here in Doha, signing off for now. See you on my next one. Peace.